Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost and see what other goodies they got to offer besides this item. Because you never know, they might have something different. And if you like this item, all you gotta do is add it to your cart right now, check out, so they can ship this to you really fast. Hopefully, everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe, guys. We are in a new month almost. And here we go. Let's see what's inside. So definitely check them out. Like I said, links will be down. And we'll see who's this coming from. Not sure who or what this is. But it's a big old box. Mailman was not happy, so. Oh well. Alright, we got another box. Dude. It's like Mission Impossible. Oh, baby. There we go. Get that over there. Get over there. This is coming from KOCH. KOCH SYSTEME. I think it's called KOCH. I hope I'm right. But it will be corrected in the title. We got a 5-piece cookware set, aluminum. Ooh, baby. Saucepan, skillet. Ooh. I like my skillets. Scrambled eggs, hash browns. All that good stuff. Make sure you wash them once you get them. Don't use them right away. Unless you have to. But I would suggest give it a good wash in the dishwasher. You know what I'm saying? You never know. But it's alright. Saved by itself. Oh boy. Here we go. Got that cool open. Ooh, I like it. Oh, box. Where is the garbage box? Bam. Alright, step one. Yep, this is coming from KOCH SYSTEME. Little user manual, maintenance. Tells you how to wash them. In case you didn't know, suitable for gas, induction, and ceramic stove tops. Wash gently with warm soap and water before using it for the first time. See? So if you don't want to throw in the dishwasher and wait that hour or two, whatever the cycles is, this all you gotta do gently with warm soap water before using it for the first time. Cook on medium, high to low heat to protect coating for longer lasting performance. High heat tends to damage coating faster. Makes sense. Kind of reservoirs, cleaners. Do not overheat the empty pan. Don't pour cold water into the pan while it's hot. You don't want to do that. Okay, pretty much simple. Easy peasy. And KOCH. Got all their manual reading materials. And can I help? Yeah. Warranty, all that good stuff. Alright, what do I dig in first? We got a lid. We got a it's like a chestnut type cork handle. It's nice. Kind of like that style. Kind of like a wood fire. It's pretty cool. Nice. Got the vents right there. Put that over here. And next we're going to get, well, now this is pretty trippy. Whoa. It's like an art design. I'm like, what is all that stuff in there? Nope, it is a design. That's really cool. Nice handle. You won't burn yourself. You could definitely knock somebody out with this, but nice. Whack. Kind of like a tennis. Andre Agassi. Oh. There we go. That one there. Now we got a big boy right here. Yeah, nice job packaging. Really nice. Something totally unexpected. I'm not sure what to put in this. Maybe soup or something. Spaghetti. Noodles. Cup of noodles. Or more than a cup, but... Oh, boom. Boom. Bottom. Look at that. Bling, bling. And again, with a nice handle. Kind of retro type looking. I don't know whatever you want to call it, but it's really nice. Quality. Great material. You're cooking like Gordon Ramsay. Oh yeah. Hell's Kitchen. Now here's the main one. Maybe because of the lids count. As probably because of the lids. Okay, that box is empty. That means we have completed the unboxing. I already got nothing to cook to show you guys, but it's pretty simple. You know, food. Here we go. Now sticky. Oh baby. Oh, you could fry some eggs and everything on this. Look at that beauty. This will be a nice conversation piece in the kitchen. You know, while cooking, having your people over, family, husband or wife, they'll like this. Look at that. Boom. Do a drone shot. Here. So we got that one. That's what it looks like in. Oh yeah, you can make some stir fries and stuff like that. Nice lid. Got the hole right there. I think this is for this one. That's it. Alright. Happy days are here again, guys. So all you gotta do is check them out. Click the link down below, and you'll guys get one of these sets of cookware. 1, 2, 3. And that makes sense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get 2 lids, 3 pans. So you probably could still somehow get this. Either way. But there you go. So check them out, YouTubers. Alright, you guys be safe. Have a good one. See you guys soon.